Hello, I'm Laura. I'm a Canva creator and I'm a Canva creator ambassador for the UK. My passion is design and everything around that, and I want to share my knowledge with you guys. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a reflection of your design. So if you're a product business, for example, this will be perfect. You can create this reflection look to your for your product, put it into your designs, and it just has that little extra something in your social media graphics to help it shine and stand out and draw people in. So here we go. Today I'm showing you how to create a reflection. Okay, so this is the type of design that we are going to be creating today. We've got our product at the top and we've got this gorgeous shadow at the bottom. So to do this, I've got a few examples here. There's another one. Some different examples of ones I've created. We need to have a blank page. I'm going to start from the white page. First of all is we need our product photo, a photo of you. You could do this with all sorts. I'm going to look for a product image in Canva and just find something in the free range. I'll take cutouts out and I will show you why. Let's see what we've got here that we can use. How about something like this? It's a little bit more fun. Right, so we've got our product image. We need to remove the background. And you can do this in Canva PRO. If we go over to Edit Image, Background Remover, we take that blue background away. So let it do its thing. Okay, so we now have our image. Okay, I want to duplicate this. So I'm going to use this little button here. It needs to be exactly the same size and we need to flip it. Okay, so we now have two images opposite each other. Take your cursor and drag over both of them so they're both selected and movable. And I'm just going to reduce the size of them a bit so we can get the full image on the one page. Like this. There we go. So we've got our top image and we've got our bottom image. Okay, so now we need to add in the gradient shading. I want to give this a background color. I'm going to go for a pink. Actually, no, I'm going to go for a blue. It was originally blue. I think a blue would look a lot better. We'll go for a blue. Okay, so now we need to go over to Elements. We need to type in gradient. So we've got our image, background removed, and it's flipped. So now we need to find our gradient. Now Canva does a gradient that fades to nothing. This one here, it's a free element as well, so you don't have to pay for it. You can use it on either free or pro accounts. We want the dark at the bottom because that's where the fading needs to be. And I'm going to stretch it out so it fills the entire bottom part of my design. I'm going to move it up so you can begin to see it coming through now. Look, we are fading through. And I'm going to change it to white. So we've still got that blue in the background. Now, obviously, we could do with this one being at the front. So we can use the position button to send it completely to the back. So I've got my fade. I've got this one here, which I now need to send backwards behind the gradient. And there you have your reflection. You can change the subtlety because this element fades gradually. You can move it up and down to give you a subtle fade. or you can go all the way up to the top and have a real deep gradient fade there. But that is a very easy, very simple way of creating a gradient in Canva on a reflection. So you've got this beautiful reflection of your product and it fades out properly. So there we have it. We have our amazing gradient fade reflection there. You can do this with any type of product. You could do it with a photo of yourself. You could do it with any service-based businesses, I guess you could use this for as well, but primarily products, that kind of thing. You could even do this with an image of your business name, for example. You can have a reflection of your business name, and it's all about adding that gradient on top that fades to nothing and changing the color of the gradient to a white or a light color, and then having the background color, a slightly darker color that matches the image. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it.